disappointment this week. A fungal disease attacking all our bottled plants. But now it's time to cheer ourselves up by harvesting some beautiful, tasty strawberries and some cucumbers. Hello and assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah. And this is my niece Ilana. Say hello, Ilana.
Hello.
Strawberries are my favourite fruits ever. I love them so much. They taste delicious. Ilana, do you like strawberries?
Yeah.
Ilana, I love strawberries.
They're so yummy, innit?
Yeah.
And growing strawberries is very simple, isn't it?
Yeah. Start early spring and come July, you have so many tasty strawberries ready to harvest.
And these are perennial. It comes up every year. I think we planted them about 3 years ago. Then die off during winter months, and come spring, they come back.
Dad, our strawberries taste so sweet and delicious.
Oh, these are beautiful looking strawberries. Very tasty.
Ilana.
Cherries and strawberries are one of my favourite.
Mine is cherries, strawberries, avocados and watermelon.
Oh, you like? Oh, yeah, I like avocados. Ilana, do you like avocados?
You don't like? I love them, Ilana. They're so delicious. We have so many strawberries to harvest, Dad.
Yes, we've been harvesting for the past couple of weeks, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Me and your mum's been eating them while you're in school.
That's not fair, but at least I have a chance to have a lot now.
Look at them. Look at this amazing looking strawberry. Ilana, do you enjoy harvesting strawberries?
Yeah, it's so fun, isn't it, Ilana?
Yeah.
I've got so many strawberries. Ilana, Ilana's gonna have them all by herself. She eats so many strawberries. Yeah. That's so funny.
Yeah.
Whoa, there's such a big one, look.
Yeah.
We have to leave some for Baya, Ilana.
Yeah. That's Spider's one.
Yeah. This is my one. Look at this strawberry, Dad.
That's a massive one, isn't it?
I know, it's gonna taste so sweet.
This one would, yes.
There we go.
What is down to the sea?
Yeah, I know. Look, they're hanging down.
Okay, we should harvest these ones here.
Oh my days, we're gonna have so many strawberries.
These ones are nice.
Yo. Don't fall on the floor.
Yeah.
Quite shaky.
Wow, Ilana, look.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, look how many strawberries we have.
This is great. We've got so many. I can't wait to have this with my chocolate. It's gonna taste so delicious. Ilana, do you like cucumbers?
Yeah.
Come on then, Ilana. Let's harvest some cucumbers.
We could put chocolate on cucumber.
That would be so funny.
That would be fun, isn't it?
It's
All right.
gonna be yummy.
Yeah. Come on, let's go harvest them. These look so nice, Ilana. They look so nice and juicy. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Can you see any cucumbers?
Oh, wow. Look, Ilana. These are gherkin cucumbers.
Gherkin cucumbers taste delicious.
I love the gherkin cucumbers. And, you know, we had plenty of harvest from this plant.
But I didn't have that many, Dad. You guys had it when I was at school.
It's your mum, she's been eating them while you're in school. And we've been harvesting 2 or 3 every day for the past 3 weeks. We had this plant inside the greenhouse, but the fruit was tasting really bitter, so we took them out about 4 weeks ago, and mashallah, it did really well. Look at this.
Wow, this is gonna taste great. Ready, Ilana?
Yeah.
Wow, look. Ilana, look at it.
It's dirty.
It's not dirty, it's just spiky.
Oh.
Do you want to put it in the basket? Let's put it on the side, away from the strawberries. There we go. Ilana.
Wow.
Wow, look at
Wow. Do you like it, Ilana?
this. This is gonna taste so nice and fresh.
Should I put the gherkin in the basket?
Yeah.
There we are. Put it in the basket.
Go on, Ilana.
That's it.
I don't want my hands.
Oh, it's a bit spiky for her.
Yeah. And there's another one. There's two. These ones are quite small, so we'll let these ones.
Just
grow.
have the large one, Aki.
This
Yeah, that's
one,
good.
Yeah.
This one's fine.
Take that off.
Yeah. No, we don't need to take that one off. We're gonna take it off when we cut it.
Okay.
There we go. Yes, Ilana, pick what strawberry that you want.
Ants is on that one.
It's fine. We're gonna wash it.
There's ant on that one.
I'm picking this, Ilana. What one are you picking?
I'm picking this.
Okay, let's give it a good wash, guys. Okay,
All right,
mine's
who's going to
clean.
taste first?
My one's clean.
I'm gonna taste my one first.
Hey, my one's clean.
It's so nice and sweet. It's so delicious. Ilyas, how is it?
Yours, mine.
Go on, your one's washed, Ilana. Hey, wait.
Ilana, it's your turn.
Go on, now it's your turn. How is it?
Good.
Is it delicious?
Yeah. It's sweet.
It's sweet, yes. I want to try one.
Yeah, Dad, I think you should try one.
I will try one, yes.
I'm gonna wash the cucumber now.
Yeah, try the gherkin, yes.
And take this off.
Okay, wait. Ilyas really likes them. He's having a second one now. It just tastes so delicious.
It's nothing better than fresh gherkin.
Cucumbers, yeah.
I love fresh gherkin with a bit of salt and a bit of chili powder.
Yeah.
I love it.
Let me wash yours for you. That's it. Take a bite again.
The gossip.
How is it?
Take the gossip.
Ilana, it's your favourite. Mummy just made us some melted chocolate to dip the strawberries in. Go on, Ilana, you can try it first.
Oh, wow.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
My turn.
Mine one had fully chocolate on it.
I know, it's so yummy.
Yeah.
You like it?
Delicious. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Don't forget to check out my other videos. We will leave the link in the description down below, or you can click the eye up here and it will take you straight to that video. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one. So bye everybody.
Bye.
They're so yummy.